Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. As you see, guys, what happened today, that big candle of the news came. And that's what me have been telling you. I'll tell you, the market can't be going just like that. Need to happen a correction, and I tell you it might that high here is going to be just the high of the low going down trend like that as you see it. And in my chart, what did I told you here? I told you also we got here that channel here at the top of it. Yes, it show us here it's break it, but now look at it, it go back inside it. Now the next target we got here that supply and demand zone. Where is it, the price now? And we got here that long-term trend. Now for us to know the market is going to reverse and go back higher, it's need here, let me zoom it like that. It's need the market here in that zone to come to give you here a pin bar like that. Then after that to go higher. And me yesterday, what did I told you? In the last video actually, I told you me a inter short in British pound USD. And we make decent profit in it today. That's how we trade. That's how we day trade us. That one Bitcoin us, we don't enter in it short, guys. But as you see it, our analysis is highly accurate, guys. Now the best scenario to happen now, guys, is that one here to come and to give you another wave like that, and to give you here a head and shoulder like that. It's going to be the best scenario, but let's wait in the coming days because till now there is nothing confirmed, guys. So as you see, today is it a very bad day, guys, but there is something good here happening. If you look with me here, I'm going to show it to you here in the volume. What you see in here, I do with candle, it's still going. You see here in the volume of that red candle is not big like that green candle which push high. So that one maybe is a good thing. But also now we enter inside that channel. That channel also been following for long. And that's what it indicating to us, guys. Because if you see what the market done here, it touched the upper of that channel. And the lower of it is it down here at 12,000 or 12K. So it's a very bad moment, I think, because I think now we are going to head for another crash till here, till 12,000. So make a close eye at that. Now the hope of us, the Bitcoin to hold here in that zone. That long-term trend, that one we've been following from 2014. If it doesn't, you're going to see it down. Why that fall down happen? I'm going to show you why. If you see with me here in the news, guys, what's happened here? Here, if you see the CPI of USA, how it came, look with me here, exactly. The last one, it used to be 8.5 and the one it came 8.3%. So yes, it reduced, but not that much. It's 0.2%. So and if you see here, all the market today is crashing. The only US dollar will go in higher. So it's a very bad moment, guys. The only things I can tell you, and that's what me I've been telling you all the time. I tell you it's not yet. It's still early to buy Bitcoin. It's not yet. It's still early to buy Bitcoin. And that's what the market showing us. So guys, I think there is nothing to say here. As I told you, now here it go back inside. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, the same thing, guys. Same thing, the history to repeat itself. As you see it came the last time here to that long-term trend. He fall down. He came to it. This time he peaked here and now it's going inside. So I think we are going to go lower now. So as I tell you, now it's going to go lower. Now the other target you got is here at the trend line. If it doesn't hold, that means the other target you got is here, the oversold area. And I've been showing you all those things before. So as we are in very bad moment, guys, there is nothing to say. Because I tell you, it's need for us to know the Bitcoin is going, like some people they've been saying, oh, the Bitcoin is going to go to 60K or the Bitcoin is going to, and we make things worse. Those ones bigger channels, like the channel of the moon, bigger channels, they've been saying the Bitcoin is going to go to 60K. It can't be just like that go, because macroeconomical, it's look very bad. How you can the Bitcoin go to 60K and us we just enter into the winter, and you know what is it, the winter, the gas, the energy, all those things. Plus inflation is too high. So what you want? You taking the market reacting like that because there is supply and demand. So I think now also we are heading now for another crash. Let's see the comment. That's what it's going to tell us, guys. Everything is too clear here. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, as you see it, same thing here. That one go out here, but I think it's going to go back inside. So let's wait in the comment. That's what it's going to tell us for the picture to be more clear to you. Let's see now the 4 hours, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear. Here in the 4 hours, it's look very, 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 very bad, guys. As you see it, breaking for us the 200 moving average with only one candle. Is go back inside. And here in our chart, what we have been telling you, look at it here, very, very clear, guys. What is it? When he touched the upper of that channel here, he go back inside now. So that one is just a false breakout or a fake breakout. Now it's going to go back here to the down here at 18k. The levels you got, guys, that level where you are now, that one here, if it doesn't hold, you got another level here, that one of 19k. So you need to make a close eye at that, what the market going to do in the coming days, because till now it's looking very, very bad. Here in the 4 hours, the volume, it's look very, 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 very bad. Look at it. Look at the volume here, guys. Look, it's very red. Now there is no more sellers here in that place where we are now, or that candle which is going now. There is no more sellers. Let's hope now that level where we are here to hold and the market to come and to break for us the last high here. That one is going to be the best scenario happening to the Bitcoin if it came like that and breaking for us like that. And if it do like that, if it stay ranging here or sideways for 2 days or 3 days, then after that go back up, I told you it's going to give you here a head and shoulders like that. So make a close eye at those things, guys. What me I'm telling you here, everything is too clear, guys. So let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, if you remember what me have been telling you, that about 5 or 3 days me have been telling you, also we are here at the overbought, and that indicator of me, that one, when it's enter here at the overbought, is very, very, very high chance is going to fall down. Now where is the target? If you see now, it breaking for us that middle, that means it move from the control of the bull to the control of the bears. Now what is it going to happen, guys? Now my view to it, you need to extend the trend line, that one, like that. Let's do it together, like that. And now we need to wait in that one to fall down to touch it. Then if it show here a rejection, is going to be very good, guys, because that rejection is going to be in that level here, where is the last one move. That one, if you remember it. So let's see the comment. That's what is going to tell us. Till now, us, we heading now for a crash. But let's hope and let's pray there is no big crash. So let's go in now to see other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, what I told you, I've been telling you all that. I tell you, when is it at the overbought, don't buy. At the overbought, don't buy. The buying, it's been at the oversold, guys. It's been the buying all the time here. Yes or no? Look where we are now. Only one candle, it fall down. Look how many days. Now my view to it, it needs to fall down till the oversold. That's the right time for us to buy. That's it. Everything is too clear, guys. So let's go into see 30 minutes, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, guys, as you see, what me being here, we're drawing here that level, that one, and the one, the market here couldn't break it, as you see it. And being telling you all those things, I tell you got 2 levels here. You got the first level here and the second level here. That is what I told you in the last video. And what did I told you? I told you the target here and another target here. If the 200 moving average doesn't hold, the next hold is going to be the trend line. And now you are in that trend line and you are in a very stronger level here, guys, as you see it. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, guys, that level here is very stronger level, the one where you are now. And here down you got another support on the resistance here. So now what you need to do, you need to wait in the correction or the last low. I think is going to be the trend line here or here. It's going to make a small correction from that trend line, and that's the hope of us. Let's hope tomorrow is going to make a small correction because it's coming more news, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. And here in 30 minutes, guys, what did I told you before? If you've been someone with us for some time, what did I told you? I told you, look what it give you here. It give you here like a small triangle like that. And that's what I told you in the last video. I told you if it's break for you lower, enter short. And that's what it did. exactly what us we said in our analysis, guys. A break for you here. Look where it is. Was that the job of us, guys? Also, we are not just watching other videos or something. Also, that's the job of us. That's how we trade. That way, also, we started that channel because we saw some people, they don't got any relation to the trading. They came to analyze for you. Let's see our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the oversold area. Oh, now what you need, it's need the price here to give you a price action or something, indicating that the market is going to go higher, to give you like a double bottom or something, and to break for you higher, you enter long, guys. If it doesn't, don't enter. Maybe it's going to fall down more. I'm talking here about the short term, not long term. If you enter, the target of you is going to be here, the 200 moving average, because it might, that one just make it like that, came to the 200 moving average, then it's going to fall down again to break for you the last low, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for today's video. See you in the daily candle. Finish it, guys. Bye for now.